Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to show you some famous designs and how to create them professionally without any effort, with no time, and what are their secrets. So let's begin with this design, word cloud design. We all know this design, which is a combination or a collection of words which are related to each others in a specific topic or in a specific idea, like feminism, autism, motivation, success, and so on, in a specific shape like apple, table, flower, arrow, and so on. And to create these such word cloud designs professionally without any effort, with no time, I recommend for you this website. That is wordclouds.com. And in this beautiful website, you can create your own professional word cloud design by using this great toolbox. In this option, you can make your design bigger or smaller by moving this point to left or to right. Okay. In this word list, here you can put your list of words which are related to each other in the same topic or the same idea. You can import your CSV file if you have one on your device, or you can edit it, okay? As you see here. And this weight means the frequency and the size of your words, okay? For example, you can edit this number on this word, okay? As you see here, okay? Just you can change this number and this word, okay? And for sure, you can get these words of your word cloud design by Googling them. You can search for synonyms or relevant words to your main keyword. For example, we can search here for related words to success. For example, okay, like accomplishment, achievement, advance, benefit, boom, fame, gain, happiness, and so on. Okay, back to our website. Okay, just close it. And here in this shape, you can choose and you can pick out your favorite shape. And here you will find huge amounts of icons and shapes for your word cloud design, like clock, hand, finger, glass, hour, glass, arrows, fingers, home, cats, at, PayPal, female, male, church, home, bin, and so on. Okay, as you see here, huge amounts, huge collections of shapes and icons. And of course, you can search for anything you want in this search bar. Okay, for example, we can search for exclamation. For example, you will find this exclamation mark. Okay, as you see here. And when we select this shape, it's reflected to your word cloud design. It's rendering. As you see here, your word cloud design in an exclamation mark shape. Okay, as you see here, perfect. And in this font section, okay, here you can choose your favorite fonts of the words in your word cloud design. Okay, or you can add your external font from here. Okay, close. In direction, you can choose the direction of these words of your word cloud design. These directions like vertical, horizontal, or diagonal, vertical and horizontal, diagonal, horizontal, and vertical, and so on. Okay, or random shape, as you see here. Okay, close. To colors, here you can choose your favorite colors of your words in your word cloud design. Okay, as you see here, you can change like this, okay, or this. You can add any color you want, or you can depend on themes or ready to use color palettes, as you see. Beautiful. And for sure, if you want to make a word cloud design for print on demand business, you want to use design with transparent background. Okay, so you can go to this background and mask color, choose black color, then choose a transparent background, as you see here. Okay, then apply, and here you will find
your word cloud design without any background, okay, just with a transparent one. Just a few seconds, it's rendering. Okay, done. Close. Your word cloud design without any colored background with transparent one. And when you are happy with this design, just go to this file, save as an image, and you have to choose its format as PNG to keep the transparent background. You can change its name, like save.
Okay, and I also want to tell you about another website, that is thorman.com/texture/. Here you can draw your own word cloud design. As you see here, just move your cursor, okay, in the directions you want. And here in this text, you can put your list of words separated by commas. Here you can change the text color, okay, to blue, red, black, and so on, okay. For example, we can clear this. Just we can change text color to red, and here you can draw your own design, like this heart, okay, this arrow, and so on, okay. And when you are done, just click that, click save image, PNG with transparent background, okay, just save. Beautiful, okay. And there are some awesome designs like this one, okay, basketball, as you see here, and mom, and this one, butter and milk. How to create these such designs? To do that, this is a work of a premium font, like this one, stacked font, as you see here, or this one, super stacked font, and pancake font, as you see, okay, as you see. Unfortunately, to use these fonts, you have to subscribe to the website that contains them, or you can buy them individually, okay. In my case, in Creative Fabrica, I can download any of these fonts, okay, because I am a subscriber on Creative Fabrica. So we can try this one stacked, okay. For example, we can just download it, as you see here, and then you can create your own design on Canva, for example, okay. If you're a Canva Pro user, you can just upload your font, okay, and we can just text, okay, add the text like I love you, for example. Just go to this font, okay, and we can type here stacked, as you see, of course, done. I love you design, okay. And of course you can do it in Vista Create, okay, for free to upload your design. Just go to text, okay, and my fonts and upload font, perfect. Stack this one, open, okay, just drag and drop, okay, make it bigger, and here you can change your font like I love you, as you see here, your perfect design with this awesome font, okay. And of course you can do it the same way on PowerPoint, but first you have to install this font on your system. Install it, as you see, then open PowerPoint. Okay, and you can change this text to your premium font. Just you can choose our text, choose our premium font, as you see. Perfect. And if you want to know how to create a perfect design for print-on-demand business by using PowerPoint only, I will leave this video below in the first comment. Okay. And now, which is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.